What if you could build a full web app with user login, real data, and a polished UI without writing a single line of code? And you could even do it just by talking to a tool. No developers, no hassle. Well, today, Lovable just dropped its most requested game-changing feature, the one that transforms it completely from a simple no-code builder into a complete app development platform. Stick around, because I'm breaking down what Lovable is, who it's for, and why this massive update changes everything. And of course, a full live demo of the brand new feature live in action.
Okay, let's dive in. Now, what Lovable is, who is it for, and key features. So Lovable is a no-code builder that lets you create websites, apps, and workflows visually, perfect for solopreneurs, makers, and small teams who want speed without technical hassle. It enables anyone to build stunning, interactive web apps with zero technical background, whether it's MVPs, side projects, internal tools, or full-blown SaaS apps. Lovable makes the process effortless. With pre-built templates, dynamic data binding, and integrations like Stripe, end-to-end, you can go from idea to launch without writing a single line of code. The real game changer is its AI. Just describe what you want, and Lovable generates a full-stack app, complete with UI, backend, and logic. Powerful enough for developers, yet simple for non-tech users, it lets you bind data, connect to external APIs, and deploy fully responsive apps in minutes. And it's not just about looks. Lovable helps you build functional, data-driven applications without the usual complexity. In short, it's the fastest way to turn ideas into reality.
Great news! We've got something exciting to share. Introducing Lovable Cloud, a complete backend and AI system ready to go right out of the box. So instead of worrying about setup, you can stay focused on building the app you've been dreaming of. With Lovable Cloud, the essentials are already in place: database, storage, authentication, and backend logic, all built in. And if you want to add AI, just drop in an LLM with zero setup. In fact, Google's models are free to use until October 5th. It's simple, free to start, and you only pay as you scale. Your usage is included across all plans, and you can always top up and track it from your settings. Until now, building powerful apps meant juggling infrastructure, databases, authentication, file storage, API keys for AI, all the moving pieces that slowed you down. But with Lovable Cloud and AI, you can launch full-stack AI-native apps just by prompting. Imagine spinning up a backend in a single step. That's what Lovable Cloud does. Your apps can store data, handle logins, and safely connect with other services without extra dashboards, without configuration headaches. It all happens seamlessly inside your Lovable project. And as your app grows, Lovable Cloud grows with you. Scalability? Covered. If traffic spikes, just scale up your instance, no downtime. Security? Built in. Authentication and row-level security make sure users only see what's meant for them. Pricing? The free tier covers up to $25 of usage a month, enough for early development and testing. When your app takes off, usage-based billing keeps things fair and predictable. Now, let's talk about AI. Whether you're a founder, a product manager, or even a CFO, you've probably thought about how AI fits into the tools you're building. With Lovable AI, you don't have to overthink it. You just ask for the feature you want, and it's there. Want avatars? Summaries of customer conversations? A personalized fitness plan? Just ask. There are no API keys to manage, no multiple billing systems, no messy response formats. Lovable takes care of it all. And right now, Lovable AI, powered by Google Gemini models, is free for 1 week for every user. Every Lovable plan includes AI usage, and the details are all available if you want to dive deeper. And here's something fun. Lovable has kicked off a 7-day build challenge. It's not a competition, and it's not about skill levels. It's about finally tackling that app idea you've been sitting on, the one that felt too ambitious or too complex. Whether you're building a productivity app or something creative with nano bananas, this is your chance to dive in, share your progress, and connect with other builders in the community. Stop worrying about the technical stuff. Start building what excites you. That impossible idea you've been carrying? With Lovable Cloud and AI, it's possible.
Now let's dive into the most exciting part of this video, a live demo of Lovable in action. We're going to build a web app called Guestbook for hotels, complete with a polished UI and a basic backend. Here's what we'll include: a submission form with 2 fields, guest name and message, entries automatically saved in the backend database called Guestbook Entries, a guestbook list that shows all messages instantly, including the name, message, and timestamp, a modern, welcoming user interface with soft, hotel-inspired colors, rounded cards for each entry, elegant typography, and a clear call-to-action button, and a responsive layout that works beautifully on desktop, tablet, and mobile. The color theme we're using is a rich teal, paired with white for a clean, elegant look. Business scenario: hotels often need a simple way for guests to leave short notes, testimonials, or feedback. This app should feel lightweight, user-friendly, and guest-focused, essentially a digital version of a lobby message wall.
Let's see how Lovable brings this to life. I'll create a beautiful hotel guestbook app with a polished UI and backend database. We start by enabling the cloud, which allows Lovable to automatically create the database and build the interface. Now, Lovable has started building our web app. It's thinking through the setup, and since we already approved the proposed plan, it's moving straight into the build. After just 15 seconds of processing, perfect! Lovable Cloud is now active. Next, it will create the database table and design the hotel guestbook interface. And, just like that, it's done. Our hotel guestbook is ready, complete with a polished, hotel-inspired design and a fully functional back-end. Here's what was built automatically: a clean submission form with name and message fields, real-time guestbook entries that update instantly, timestamps on every message, an elegant teal and white color scheme, smooth animations with rounded cards, a fully responsive design that works across devices, and public access with no login required. Every entry is stored automatically in the database and displayed in real time. The design feels like a hotel lobby: soft shadows, elegant typography, and warm, welcoming animations. And what's next? Lovable even suggests ways to enhance your app, refine and customize colors, card styles, or form layouts with prompts or visual edits. Use chat mode to plan advanced features like entry moderation, pagination, or filtering. Now let me give a try to update few entries.
It's working well.
Let me try one more.
Excellent. This one also worked fine. Both the entries I've made just now are added to database as well. Now, once your app is ready, Lovable allows you to ship and share it with World in just one click. It's pretty simple.
Lovable is perfect if you want to go from idea to live project fast, without the steep learning curve of other no-code tools. If you're building something big and complex, you may need advanced tools later, but for starting out, it's a gem. So, what's my verdict on Lovable? If you're just starting out in no-code or you're tired of tools that overcomplicate things, this platform is a breath of fresh air. With today's feature drop, it's honestly gone from a nice toy to a serious tool you can use to build production-ready apps. It's not quite complex or as design-focused, but for 90% of app ideas, Lovable is more than enough. And honestly, it might just be the best no-code platform for launching fast in 2025. So, my verdict? Lovable is the tool I wish I had years ago. It's gone from a neat experiment to a real platform. If you want to ship ideas fast, test markets, and build real apps, Lovable just became one of the best options in 2025.
I'll be bringing you more no-code tutorials and deep dives right here. So if you want to master no-code and start shipping faster, hit that subscribe button now. Lovable just leveled up, and now it's your turn. Go build something truly lovable. I'd love to hear from you. Drop your ideas in the comments below. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll be exploring other no-code tools regularly, so stay tuned. Here's the challenge. What amazing project will you build with Lovable? Check out the link in the description and go make something lovable. See you in the next one.